Vietnamese durian is facing many major challenges when exporting to China due to strict quarantine, which prolongs customs clearance time and affects product quality. Domestic prices have fallen sharply, while market share in China has also decreased significantly. The main reason is that China has tightened inspection of heavy metal residues and yellow ochre, a chemical banned from use in agricultural products, along with the discovery of errors in growing area codes. Meanwhile, Thailand has expanded its growing area and increased output, while Laos, Indonesia and Cambodia have also actively participated in the market. To maintain its competitive position, Vietnamese enterprises need to diversify their products, incorporate durian into processed foods, and promote promotion in potential markets. Improving preservation technology and quality control will help Vietnamese durian maintain its position in the international market.